this is the second part of standard costing. First part is also discussed with you. Now the second part, some problems are solved. कुछ पार्ट्स को हम लोग क्या करेंगे, कुछ क्वेश्चंस को हम लोग सॉल्व करेंगे आपके साथ. राइट नाउ द सम इजी क्वेश्चंस. नाउ एक के बाद एक क्वेश्चंस को हम लोग देखते जाएंगे जो बहुत इजी, फिर थोड़ा सा हार्ड, फिर हार्ड, फिर हार्ड, फिर हार्ड, और बनाते बनाते सारे प्रॉब्लम्स आपके लिए इजी हो जाएंगे. ओके, नाउ द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज calculate material variance from the following information. Standard quantity 10 kg, standard price are given, actual quantity and actual price are given. Right now question number 1, analysis table. First of all, prepare analysis table. This is standard and this is actual. Quantity, rate, amount, quantity, rate, amount. This is quantity, rate, amount, quantity, rate, amount, and this is for commodity. Different type of material. Okay. According to question, the standard quantity is given 10 kg. Standard price ₹2 per kg. Actual quantity 12 kg. Actual price 1.90. Right? Other no information is given in your question. Right? Now first of all, solve this problem. 10 to the 20 and 12 into 1.9. Now the value is 22.80. Right? Now the first MCV SQ into SP minus AQ into AP. What do you mean by SQ? SQ says standard quantity, right? The standard quantity is depends upon output units. In this question, output units are not given for standard or actual. Therefore, the output are same. Okay? If the output are different, then to find out the revised standard quantity. If output are same, then no problem. Okay, right. Standard quantity 10. Standard price is standard rate 2. It is very simple. Minus actual quantity 12, actual price 1.90, and this is the value 20 minus 22.80. Now result is becomes 2.8 minus 2.8. ओके, आपको इसमें माइनस साइन नहीं लगाना, हम लोग डिस्कशन कर चुके हैं. माइनस दैट मींस इट इज कॉल्ड अनफेवरेबल. राइट नाउ द सेकंड MPV SP minus AP into AQ. Right? The standard price are there 2 minus actual price 1.90, actual quantity 12. 2 minus 1.9 into 1 into 12. Now the result is 1.20 positive. Positive that means favorable. Right? Now the third one, MUV SQ minus AQ into SP. Now SP is there 10 minus 12 into 2. Now 4 is negative, then it is called unfavorable. Right? If always discussion with you, if more than 2 types of commodity are given in your question, then to find out the value of material mix variance, this is the fourth point. It is also discussed with you. And fifth point, material sub usage variance, right? But in this question, only one material are there. Therefore, only 3 items are calculated. Now the first MCV, material cost variance, material price variance, second one, and last one material यूजर वेरिएंस। अब ये आपका आंसर सही है या गलत है, इसके लिए मैंने आपको फर्स्ट पार्ट में क्या बताया था, आप लोगों को चेक इन बताया था, राइट। सी चेक एनसीवी आर इक्वल्स टू एमपीवी प्लस एमयूवी। Now here NCV are there 2.8 unfavorable, therefore minus 2.8, right? Now MPV 1.20 favorable plus 4 unfavorable, right? Solve कर दीजिए, 2.8 unfavorable and 2.8 unfavorable. That means आपने जो ये आंसर्स निकाले हैं ये क्या है, दीज आर द करेक्ट आंसर्स। ओके, दिस इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। नाउ द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन, क्वांटिटी ऑफ ग्राउंडनट 3 लीटर, राइट, प्राइस ऑफ ग्राउंडनट 75 पैसे पर लीटर, एक्चुअल प्रोडक्शन आर देयर, प्रोडक्शन ड्यूरिंग 1 मंथ, यूज्ड क्वांटिटी। ओके, चलिए आइए। नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सेकंड क्वेश्चन, प्रिपेयर एनालिसिस टेबल। एनालिसिस टेबल अगेन, दिस इज स्टैंडर्ड एंड दिस इज एक्चुअल। क्वांटिटी रेट अमाउंट, अगेन क्वांटिटी रेट अमाउंट, क्वांटिटी रेट अमाउंट, quantity rate amount, and this is commodity, name of the commodity, right? According to question, the company shows the following particulars regarding the material requirement to produce 1 liter of groundnut oil। 1 लीटर groundnut oil बनाने के लिए आपको दिया हुआ है। What do you mean by 1 liter? This is output of standard, right? This is output of standard. Okay, now the output 1 for standard, right? चलिए आइए क्वेश्चन में, क्वांटिटी ऑफ ग्राउंडनट फ्री, रेट 0.75 फॉर स्टैंडर्ड। नाउ एक्चुअल प्रोडक्शन डाटा, प्रोडक्शन ड्यूरिंग द 1 मंथ, प्रोडक्शन ड्यूरिंग द 1 मंथ, दैट मींस आउटपुट फॉर एक्चुअल, दिस इज 1000 एंड दिस इज 1, ओके, एंड क्वांटिटी यूज्ड 3500, quantity used 3500, right? And the rate of groundnut ₹1 per liter. To find out material variance, right? Now first of all complete the table through calculator, 3 into 0.75, now result is becomes 2.25. now this is 3500. Now first NCV, again the same formula, SQ into SP minus AQ into AP. In this case always SQ is depends upon SQ, that means standard quantity. In case of MCV, standard quantity is depends upon output units of standard level and actual level or actual production. If the output are different, in this case again output are different, the standard output is 1 liter and actual output is 1000 liter, right? Now according to theory of standard costing, if the output are different, then to find out the revised standard quantity. Okay, now revised standard quantity are equals to SQ into total actual quantity divided by total standard quantity, right? In this case SQ is 3 standard quantity, total actual quantity, and both are the depends upon output units. So total actual quantity is there 1000 and total standard quantity output 1, now equals to 3000, right? 3000 liter. Okay, now MCV are equals to 3000 into 0.75 minus 3500 into 1. 3000 into 0.75. Now the value is given 2250 minus 3500. Now the result is 1250 unfavorable, right? Now the second, MPV save SP minus AP into AQ. SP is 0.75 minus 1, AQ is 3500, right? Now 0.75 minus 1 into 3500. Now the result is 875 unfavorable. Now the last one, MUV SQ minus AQ into SP, right? अब ये SQ की जगह भी आप क्या यूज करोगे? RSQ यूज करोगे, राइट? इसकी जगह क्या यूज करना रहेगा आपको? RSQ. It is also defined 3000 liter, right? Now 3000 minus 3500 within bracket, SP is 0.75. What is the result? 500 into 0.75. Now the result is 375. 375 is unfavorable. Now next and last step, चेक, जिससे आपको ये पता चल जाएगा आपका आंसर करेक्ट है या गलत है. नाउ MCV आर इक्वल्स टू MPV प्लस MUV. MPV 875 unfavorable, 375 unfavorable, and this one is MCV 1250 unfavorable. आप ऐड कर लीजिए 875 प्लस 375 आर इक्वल्स टू 1250, राइट? 1250 unfavorable. Now equal sign, 1250 unfavorable are equals to 1250 unfavorable. This is the very simple question, but only one kinds of material are there. This is just a next typical question, right? Because in this question output are not there, therefore the output are same. In this question output is there, okay, but only one kinds of material are there, right? Thank you. Now the next question is, now the question is, from the following calculate material cost variance, or say material variance. Okay, first standard material quantity per unit, the standard price per kg, actual value of material purchased, closing stock of material, actual uses, finished stock sold, closing stock of finished goods, right? Okay, first of all prepare the analysis table. Now this is standard and this is actual, quantity, rate, amount, quantity, rate, amount. This is quantity, rate, amount, quantity, rate, amount. Okay, according to question, standard material quantity per unit 2 kg, राइट? एक यूनिट बनाने के लिए आपका स्टैंडर्ड में कितना क्वांटिटी आप assumption ले रहे हैं? 2 kg. एक यूनिट बनाने के लिए, what do you mean by एक यूनिट? This is called output, okay, of standard. This is called output. This is output 1 unit. This is called 1 unit, right? And Material used, standard quantity, right? Standard price per kg rupees 4. Okay. Again, the next, actual value of material purchased. Material purchased are equals to rupees 4,000. This is the given information. Closing stock of material. Closing stock of material. Closing stock of material is 200 kg. Right? Actual uses. Actual uses 2.5 per kg. Actual uses 2.5 per kg. Finished stock. Finished stock sold. Therefore, 200 units. Okay. Closing stock of finished goods. Closing stock of finished goods. Finished goods are equals to 40 units. राइट? अब सबसे पहले आपको ये क्वेश्चन में ढूंढना है कि आपका आउटपुट कितना था और आउटपुट को आप क्या बोलते हैं, राइट? आउटपुट दैट मींस फिनिश्ड स्टॉक. ओके, नाउ द फिनिश्ड स्टॉक सोल्ड एंड क्लोजिंग स्टॉक ऑफ फिनिश्ड स्टॉक दैट मींस 240 यूनिट्स. This is output of actual, right? This is output 240 units. Okay. क्वेश्चन में आगे क्या दिया हुआ है आप लोगों को? Actual uses 2.5 kg. 2.5 kg. Right? Therefore, total quantity in kg are equals to 240 into 2.50. एक यूनिट बनाने के लिए आपको 2.5 kg मटेरियल यूज होता है. हाउ मेनी यूनिट्स आर प्रोड्यूस? 240 यूनिट्स. देयरफॉर टोटल क्वांटिटी इन kg 240 into 2.5. Now 600 kg. What do you mean by 600 kg? 600 kg, that means this is the material used for the production of 240 units. Okay, 600 kg of material are used, okay, for the production of 240 units. Therefore 240 is the output of actual and 300 kg is the actual quantity, right? According to question, closing stock of material are there. Closing stock of material, that means plus 200 kg are equals to 800 kg. आपने 600 kg 240 यूनिट को प्रिपेयर करने के लिए यूज कर लिया और आपका क्लोजिंग स्टॉक कितना बच गया है? 200 kg बच गया. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय दिस? टोटल क्वांटिटी ऑफ मटेरियल परचेज्ड, राइट? टोटल क्वांटिटी ऑफ मटेरियल परचेज्ड आर इक्वल्स टू 800 kg. एंड 800 kg आपने कितने में परचेज किया? मटेरियल परचेज ऑफ रुपीज 4000, राइट? Therefore, purchase cost per kg, purchase cost per kg are equals to 4000 divided by 800. Solve कर दीजिए. 4000 divided by 800. Now result is rupees 5 per kg. Now 5 are recorded actual rate. Okay. Now complete the table. 8, 6 5 are 30, 3000. Right. Now first again NCE equals to SQ into SP minus AQ into AP, right? SQ is depends upon output units, and output units of standard and actual are different in this question. Then to find out the revised standard quantity for this question, right? Revised standard quantity are equals to SQ into total actual quantity divided by total standard quantity. ठीक है, both are the depends upon output units, right? Standard quantity 2 into actual output 240 divided by total standard quantity. Total standard quantity is 1 are equals to 480 right? चलिए आइए, फर्स्ट MCV are equals to 480 into 4 minus 600 into 5 according to question, right? 480 into 4 minus, now 1080 is negative, then it is called unfavorable, right? Now the second one, MPV SP minus AP into AQ. SP is 4, AP is 5, actual quantity is 600. Now 600 is negative, then unfavorable, right? Now third, MUV SQ minus AQ into SP. It is also discussed. MUV में जो SQ होता है वो किसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है? MCV के ऊपर. नाउ MCV के लिए आपने क्या डिफाइन किया है? RSQ डिफाइन किया है, तो यहां भी आपकी RSQ की वैल्यू पुट करनी होगी. नाउ द वैल्यू ऑफ RSQ इज 480 minus 600, SP is 480 minus 600 into 4. Now result is 480 unfavorable. Okay, after the calculation check your answer is correct or wrong. MCV are equals to MPV plus MUV. It is compulsory. Okay, MCV is 1080 unfavorable are equals to 600 unfavorable plus 480 unfavorable. Therefore the result is same, 1080 unfavorable are equals to 1080 unfavorable, right? This is the question number 3. This is the question number 3. Clear? Now the last question of this video. Now the question is quantity of material purchased 3000 units, right? In this question material purchased in rupees, not given in how many quantity are purchased. Okay, but in this question number 4, quantity material purchased 3000 units, value of material purchased 9000. Okay, the standard quantity of material required for 1 ton of the finished product 25 units, right? The standard material rupees 2 per unit, opening stock of material, closing stock of material, and actual production in ton, right? Now again the question number 4. Question number 4. First of all, prepare analysis table. this is for standard, this is for actual, quantity, rate, amount, again this is quantity, rate, amount, quantity, rate, amount, right? According to question, material purchased 3000 kg. Okay, value of material purchase, that value of material purchase are equals to rupees 9,000. Okay, again the standard quantity of material required for 1 ton of finished product 25 units. What is the meaning of this? Who is output and who is input? Again I repeat this question. A standard quantity of material for 1 ton of finished goods, a finished product 25 units, right? 1 ton, output of standard is 1 ton and the quantity is 25 units, right? And according to question, standard price of the material rupees 2 per unit, and opening stock of material, are equals to 100 units, right? Closing stock of material are equals to 600 units. Actual production 80 tons. Actual production, that means output for actual 80 tons, right? अब बताइए आप लोग कि ये क्वेश्चन किस तरीके से, क्योंकि आपके पास एक्चुअल क्वांटिटी कितनी होनी चाहिए, एक्चुअल रेट क्या होना चाहिए और एक्चुअल कॉस्ट क्या होना चाहिए. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल material purchase 3000 kg for rupees 9,000. What do you mean by this? Cost of material per kg. It is very simple. Per kg are equals to 9,000 divided by 3,000 are equals to 3. Right? Okay. What is the production, meaning of production? Okay, opening stock plus purchase minus closing stock. Okay, प्रोडक्शन का मीनिंग क्या होता है? आपके पास जो ओपनिंग होता है, आपने जो परचेस किया और जो आपके पास बच गया, इसी का इवैल्यूएशन होता है, राइट? चलिए आइए, इसी का इवैल्यूएशन होगा तो क्या हो जाएगा आपके लिए रिजल्ट? आपने कितनी मटेरियल परचेस की है? अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन 3000 यूनिट्स, दिस इज 3000 यूनिट्स, राइट? ओपनिंग स्टॉक इज देयर 100 and closing is there 600. What is the result? Result is 2500 units. This is called production. Okay, this is called production, right? अब प्रोडक्शन के लिए अब आपको क्या निकालना पड़ेगा? रेट निकालना पड़ेगा. अब रेट कैसे निकलेगा? रेट आर इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा? ओपनिंग स्टॉक ऑफ मटेरियल 100. व्हाट इज द रेट? रेट क्या है आपको ये मालूम होना चाहिए. ठीक है, 100 हो गया प्लस 2400, what is the rate, and divided by 100 plus 2500, sorry 2400. Now the total production is equal to 2500 units. What is the rate? According to question, rate are not there, but forecasting rate, that means standard rate per unit is there. Therefore, this is called rupees 2, and this is for rupees 3, right? इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो आपका वैल्यू आएगा 7400 डिवाइडेड बाय 2500. नाउ द रिजल्ट इज 2.96. 2.96 per unit. 2.96 per unit. Okay. And what is the actual quantity? What is the actual quantity? That means how much quantity are used for the production of 80 tons, right? 2500 units are used for the production of 80 tons. That means this is 2500. Now complete the table first of all. This is 50 and 2500 into 2.96. Therefore 2500 into 2.96, 7400. Now first NCV SQ into SP minus AQ into AP. What is SQ? Both the output are different. Then to find out the revised standard quantity, RSQ are equals to SQ into total actual quantity divided by total standard quantity. Therefore 25 into 80 divided by 1. 25 into 80 divided by 1, say 2000, right? Therefore NCV are equals to 2000 into 2 minus 2500 into 2.96. What is the result? 4000 minus 7400 equals to 3400 is unfavorable, right? For second, MPV SP minus AP into AQ. Now SP is 2 minus 2.96, AQ is 2500. Therefore 2500 into 0.96. Now the result is 2400 unfavorable. Now the last, MUV SQ minus AQ into SP. Again this SQ, that means it is belongs to MUV. This SQ is depends upon MCV. ओके, ये SQ जो है किसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है? MCV के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. If in MCV you are find out the value of RSQ, that means the RSQ are used in the position of SQ, right? Now the value is 2000 minus AQ is 2500, SP is rupees 2. Therefore 1000 unfavorable. And last, check. Okay. Thank you very much. And the next typical questions are for next video. Okay. Thank you very much.